let me remove the amount from the rows. So you right click on amount or click on the arrow on the amount and choose remove field. And these are the fields I want. I want my country to be in filters. I want my product to be in rows. And let me undo my filters to all. Okay, so now see all the data. And I want to change my value settings from count to sum. So I came here and I went to value settings and I chose sum and clicked OK. Okay. Now I want to apply slicers. Slicers allow me to slice my data sets however I want to do. So let me click on country and insert slicer. Sorry, country slicer. So I clicked on insert slicer in the analyze. I want to slice by country, and let me click OK here. So here I have a country slicer. What does that do? Simply picking an item from the list will allow me to just view the value for that country. And if I click on that red X in the top right corner, then it just clears all the filters and gives me my original data set. Now comes the question, can I insert multiple slicers? Yes, you can insert multiple slicers as well. You can go back to your pivot table and you can go back to analyze and you can insert slicer on a different field. So I'm choosing product this time and click OK. Now I have two slicers. And I can actually format them differently too. For example, I clicked under slicer styles, yellow color for my product one, and green color for my country. So if I say I want to look at Germany and I want to only look at beans, and I can press and hold the control key and click on carrots and orange. So I could see those three items only from Germany. And then I can click on these red axis to clear all the filters. Can I have multiple pivot tables on the same sheet? Or no? What do you guys think? Can we have multiple pivot tables on the same sheet? Yes, we can. True. Okay. So let's select this pivot table, this whole data set. Let's copy this. And somewhere to the right, let me paste it and adjust the column width. Okay, so I have the two versions of the same data set, right? So if I choose Canada and I choose broccoli, notice they both can show me the same stuff, but there's no point of showing the same stuff in both places. So what I will do is I will change the second one to display me the count. So let me right click and let me go to the value settings, count, OK. Okay, so now I can say France and broccoli and orange, and here we go, banana. Okay, so here, this one shows me the sum and that one shows me the count. And let me clear the filters. Here we go. We're back to the way things were before. Now let me go to the actual data behind the scene. And let's say, pick Apple. Row number 10. It says, France, the amount is 2,417. Let me update that amount to, let's say, 15,417. So I'm adding 13,000 to an existing value, right? And I'm pressing enter here. So when I come back to the sheet 1, after I made that change, sheet 1 still shows the old value for Apple, which is 19,120, 191,257. It doesn't reflect the addition of 13,000. So to make this happen, you would have to right-click and hit refresh. And when you do that, you can now see, you can see that it is now 204,000. So you can refresh the data by right-clicking on the pivot table and doing that. Okay.